Hi everybody, today we're going to be making a bouncy ball. First, you need borax, glue kind as you want, and you don't have to have full kind because let's have it white. And you need this and this, some hot water and a cup, and 2 bowls, and some cornstarch, and then that's what we need. First, you take this, pour all of it into one of these bowls. I like 1 tablespoon of borax. Then you want to take any spoon you have at home and you want to stir it. You maybe want glass bowls. So if it's like yellow on the side, that means it's like ready. You take like your other bowl. What you have to do is like add the glue into here. Then you put cornstarch on top of it. Like add some glue. The more glue you have, the bigger the bouncy ball is. And I want to like make a huge bouncy ball. You want to like get all of it out. Like scoop it out. You add 1 tablespoon cornstarch, couple squirts of food coloring, but you don't need to put food coloring in if you don't want to. Now what you want to do is stir it till like everything looks like blue. It has to look like it's supposed to. Take this whole bowl, cracked in hot water. Gain some air in it. And then you want to take it out. And it looks all weird. And all you're basically supposed to do is keep on rolling it. Yeah, it's really soft and squishy. And it's going to turn out like a bouncy ball. I like bouncy balls because it bounces high and high and high. High and high and high and high. It's always drying up. It's like looking like this now. I got a trick, and if you want to make it shiny, put it back in the borax solution. Just a tin foil to let it dry. Hope your parents clean up and check on it when you're done cleaning up. Here it's made out of rubber, and mine is not made out of borax and glue. Yeah, so now we're gonna have to clean up. 3, 2, 1. It bounces. And it's supposed to bounce. Because this one bounces like that, and this one bounces like that. And trying to dribble like a bounce. It doesn't really work like a bounce. Hard, but not like super hard. If it was super hard, I'll put it like a rock. Probably by tomorrow, it's gonna bounce like, not like a super bounce, but it bounces a little more. Up here. bouncy balls are. Thanks for watching. Let me know how your bouncy balls are. Bye.